Welcome to the Fueiceel Research-Grade AEM Electrolyzer by SCI Materials Hub, engineered for precise lab-scale water electrolysis and carbon dioxide reduction. This precision-engineered 3D exploded view highlights our user-friendly design, featuring high-strength nickel flow plates and quick insert connectors for rapid assembly. The system operates seamlessly. The cathode drives hydrogen evolution or carbon dioxide reduction, while the selective anion exchange membrane efficiently transports hydroxide ions. Next, we'll demonstrate the standard assembly of the Fueiceel 4 square centimeters AEM test fixture. Align the O-ring with the rectangular sealing groove and press it fully into place without twisting, lifting, or deformation to prevent leaks. Insert the gasket, T-shaped insulating sleeve, and insulating tube onto each bolt, then install the assembled bolts into the anode flow plate and place it on the workbench. Place the white anode gasket inside the O-ring, aligned with the sealing area. Place the anode electrode into the center recess of the gasket, ensuring it is centered with no edge misalignment or wrinkles. Place the pre-activated AEM membrane over the anode electrode, keeping it flat and wrinkle-free. Align and place the cathode gasket over the AEM membrane. Place the cathode electrode into the gasket opening, ensuring full contact with the membrane and proper alignment. Install the O-ring into the sealing groove of the cathode flow plate. Align the locating holes and place the cathode flow plate onto the gasket, ensuring proper alignment. Place the matching gasket over the through holes on the outside of the cathode flow plate. Install the nuts and tighten them by hand. Use a torque wrench to tighten the bolts diagonally in stages for even clamping force. Tighten the copper terminal on top, ensuring firm contact with the flow plate for good conductivity. Install the quick connect fittings into the threaded ports on both flow plates. The assembly of the Fueiceel 4 square centimeters AEM test fixture is now complete. Our platform delivers 4 core advantages: superior active area scalability up to 900 square centimeters, high current density, material flexibility, and zero leakage sealing. Proven by empirical benchmarks, this AEM cell achieves outstanding performance, reaching 10 amps per square centimeter at less than 2 volts. The AEM 4 series offers customizable flow plates in nickel, titanium, or gold-plated options, meeting diverse academic and industrial research specifications. Every pre-assembled unit features standard imported nickel flow plates, alkali-resistant seals, and undergoes a rigorous 72-hour continuous leakage test before dispatch. Follow our 6-step operational guide. Ensure safety by using ventilated exhaust for hydrogen, and store the cell with pure water to maintain activity. Trusted by top global institutions like MIT and Tsinghua, SCI Materials Hub provides the ultimate testing platform to accelerate your clean energy breakthroughs.